Approximately 4 liters of sterile or distilled water are required to fill the reservoir at initial installation. It is necessary to add 1 bottle of cleaning solution to the water when first filling the unit, or any time the unit is refilled after draining. The cleaning solution is vital to the level sensor operation and inhibits the growth of organic matter in the reservoir. To fill the reservoir, the fluid delivery line must be connected with no pads attached. From the patient therapy selection screen, press either the normothermia or hypothermia button under the new patient heading. From the normothermia or hypothermia therapy screen, press the fill reservoir button. The fill reservoir screen will appear. Follow the directions on the screen. When full, the fill process will stop automatically. Upon completion, leave the fill tube attached to the back of the device. Place the end of the fill tube in the storage site.